Hey guys, it is Nuclear Apple here. Today we are... Wait. I was going to say we're playing a game. I was going to say today we are playing... I'm going to help someone.
Oh my god.
Or something. Hold on. Hey guys, Shut up. Hey guys, it is Nuclear Apple here, and I have gotten a request from my friend, and today I am going to help him because he doesn't know how to change his YouTube name, so I'm gonna go ahead and help that. This is literally the shortest tutorial ever, so I'm not gonna put much time into the thumbnail. If it looks like trash, it looks like trash. I don't care. Anyways, just go to your. So I'm just showing on computer. So if you go to your customization, because you can't do this on your phone. At least I don't think you can. Let me go ahead and check as fast as I possibly can. I'm going to keep talking so that it's not just like in complete silence, and so that I don't have to cut this part out if I do, because I don't know. I actually don't have the power of editing, so there's really no way I can't. And so yeah. All right. Well, while I was jabbering or talking, I don't know. You can't do it on your phone. So yeah. So basically, you just go to your customization. This is it. This is not it, but. So if you go to your branding, this is how you could, like, your things, like, on your channel page. So I did all that. So this is how you would have it look on... God, it's so slow. This is how you would have it look on here. It's how everything's ordered. And over here is the branding. So, like, the logo, change or remove. The top bar on your channel page, which is... This
watermelon bus.
And I mean, I'm not doing anything, but this right here.
That's what she said.
And then the other one is the one at the bottom corner of your video, which is this one. It even shows you right here: entire video, custom time, or end of video. And then here is the information, the channel link, which you can't really change. I think you could. Links on banner, first 5 links. Okay. And then you could put like an email, but I didn't do that. You could add different links to different things. And the description of your channel, I'm going to put just basically anything happens on this channel. Some of them are song edits. I'm gonna do this more later. So yeah, and then this is how you change your name. Just click this right here. You can change your name to anything you want, like that. But I'm not doing that. But yeah, that's literally all you gotta do. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or need a tutorial, just comment below. I mean, and I'll try to find something and I'll show you how to do it.
You fart, it stank.
I didn't do anything. Anyways, I don't know why name is so highlighted. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please leave a like and subscribe to see more. Click the bell for notifications. I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.